Good day. Welcome to Math of Focus. Are you ready for our discussion today? If yes, let's start. Our topic today is organizing data in tabular form and presenting them in a single or double horizontal or vertical bar graph. Watch, listen, and learn. Here is a table of data we discussed in our previous lesson. Before we present it in a graph, let's first study the table titled Harvested Fruits. We have two data that contains here, the fruits and the numbers of how many were harvested. Let us now make our vertical bar graph starting by writing the title, which is Harvested Fruits. Next is the drawing of the vertical axis and horizontal axis. Since we are going to do a vertical bar graph, the fruit data is in vertical lines where it has 4 lines for the 4 fruits, the mango, guava, jackfruit, and star apple. And the next one is to make a scale and interval for the numbers of harvested fruits, and since 12 is the highest number in the data, we will make a scale from 0 to 12 with an interval of 2's. From 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And lastly, is that we plot bars on each data of a fruit. Let's start with mangoes with 12. Guavas harvested are 10. Jackfruits are 3. And star apples are 8. And we now have created a vertical bar graph. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more new video lesson updates.